Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Okay kids, before moving towards our today's lesson, I will give you a moral lesson. And our today's moral lesson is don't laugh at others. What does it mean? It means that हमें दूसरों का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. We should not laugh at others. अगर किसी से मिस्टेक हो जाती है तो हमें उन पर हंसना नहीं चाहिए बल्कि उन्हें गाइड करना चाहिए. Okay kids, so our today's moral lesson is don't laugh at others. Our today's topic is reading page 56, Primer A. Okay kids, take out your Primer A. This is our new Oxford Modern English Primer A. Open page 56. First of all, I will read heading for you. Hurry up, read with me. H-I-S, his, H-E-R, her. H-I-S, his, H-E-R, her. Okay, on this page today we will going to discuss the concept of his and her. Okay kids, I want to tell you one thing, that for the things of the boy we will use HIS his, and for the things of the girl we will use HER her. Okay, now start reading with me. THIS this, IS is, TAHA taha. This is taha. THAT that, IS is, HIS his, HOUSE house. That is his house. Now we are talking about his thing, so we are using HIS his. THAT that, IS is, HIS his, GOAT goat. That is his goat. Okay, now read next line with me. THAT that, IS is, HIS his, CYCLE cull. That is his cycle. So whenever we will talk about the things of the boy, we will use HIS his. Now read next paragraph with me. This is a girl and we are going to talk about the things of a girl. So we will use HER her. Okay, start reading with me. THIS this, IS is, AMNA Amna. This is Amna. THAT that, IS is, HER her, HUT hut. That is her hut. THAT that, IS is, HER her, CART cart. That is her cart. THAT that, IS is, HER her, COW cow. That is her cow. Okay, so here we are talking about the things of the girl, so we will use HER her. So in this way we will do reading of this page. Okay kids, now we are going to do our classwork, and our today's classwork is words sentences. We are going to make the sentences of the words. Okay, take out your English copies. First of all, in the center of the page you will write C.W. After writing C.W, at the corner of the page you will write the date. Okay kids, after writing date, outside the margin line you will write WORDS words. Your W should be capital. After writing words, under C.W we will write sentences. SEN sen, TEN ten, CES says. Sentences, words, sentences. Today we are going to do word sentences. So after giving heading we are going to start our classwork. First of all, we will make the sentence of word jeep, JEEP, jeep. Okay kids, along with margin line you will write IT, it. Then after writing IT, it, you will give one finger gap. Put your finger along with IT, it. आपने IT, it के ऊपर अपनी finger नहीं रखनी, आपने IT, it के साथ अपनी finger रखनी है. Okay, then you will give one finger gap and then you will write IS is. After writing IS is, again you will give one finger gap and mark a dot here, and then you will write A. It is A. Then after writing a, you will give one finger gap and then mark a dot here, and then you will write JEEP, cheap. It is a cheap. Okay, and you will mark full stop at the एंड। बेटा जब भी आपने कोई भी सेंटेंस मेक करना है आपने ये बात याद रखनी है दैट फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द सेंटेंस शुड बी कैपिटल, then you have to give one finger gap, and at the end you have to mark full stop. Okay, after making sentence of jeep we will make sentence of pencil, pen, pen, cil, sil. Outside the margin line we will write the word pencil. Okay, now along with margin line write it, it. After writing it, it, you will give one finger gap and you will write is. After writing is, you will again give one finger gap and you will write a. Then after writing a, again you will give one finger gap and you will write pen, pen, cil, sil. It is a pencil, and at the end you will mark full stop. In this way you will make the sentence of pencil. Okay kids, now after making the sentence of pencil we will make the sentence of igloo, ig, l-o-o, loo, igloo. Outside the margin line under pencil we will write igloo. Okay, now along with margin line write it, give one finger gap and then write is, and then you will again give one finger gap and you will write an. Why we are writing an here while in other sentences we are writing a? Because I is a vowel word, that's why we are writing an with this. I से igloo start हो रहा है ना, that's why we are writing an with igloo. Now we will give one finger gap and we will write ig, l-o-o, loo. It is an igloo. In this way we will make the sentence of igloo. After making sentence of igloo you will make the sentence of frog, frog, frog. Okay, along with margin line you will write it, then you will give one finger gap, you will write is, again you will give one finger gap, you will write a, again you will give one finger gap and you will write frog, frog, and at the end you will mark the full stop. Okay, after making the sentence of frog you will make the sentence of gate, gate, gate. Outside the margin line you will write gate, and inside the margin line you will write it, then you will give one finger gap, you will write is, again you will give one finger gap, you will write a, again you will give one finger gap and you will write gate, gate, and you will mark full stop at the end. Okay kids, in this way we will complete our classwork. ना वाइल सेंटेंस मेकिंग आपने किस बात का ख्याल रखना है कि आपने आई की स्टिक्स बहुत बड़ी नहीं मेक करनी, आपने इट को मार्जिन लाइन से दूर नहीं राइट करना. यू हैव टू राइट इट अलॉन्ग विद मार्जिन लाइन. और आपने जब भी सेंटेंस मेक करना है यू विल नॉट गिव गैप मोर देन वन फिंगर. ओके, योर गैप शुड बी वन फिंगर गैप होना चाहिए आपका. ओके, आपने सेंटेंस मेकिंग में इस बात का ख्याल रखना है. आई होप आपको इस लेसन की समझ आ गई होगी. Okay kids, now I am going to assign you a home task, and your home task is to do this page at home. You have to make these word sentences at home and do a rough practice of these word sentences also. Okay kids, take care. Allah Hafiz.